This is the final video to solve the Ubisoft Connect entry point not found libcef dll error. And if you're facing the same issue, stay with me because I'm going to walk you through every simple way to fix it. I'm from Rexisht, and I know how annoying it is when Ubisoft Connect refuses to launch and keeps showing that libcef dll message. This problem usually happens when a Ubisoft Connect installation is corrupted, the Chromium embedded framework files are missing, or Windows blocks required components. And I know many videos online make it look complicated, but the real fix is much easier. When I faced this issue, I tried everything, and one simple trick finally solved it. But before that, here are all the easy fixes so you can definitely get Ubisoft Connect running again. First, repair Ubisoft Connect. Open the Ubisoft Connect setup file, run it again, and choose the repair option. This replaces any broken libcef files. Next, delete the cache. Go to Program Files, open Ubisoft folder, open Ubisoft Game Launcher, and delete the cache folder. Restart Ubisoft Connect after that. Then, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. Make sure you install all versions from 2015 to the latest, because libcef dll depends on these runtime files. Also check your antivirus. Sometimes it removes libcef dll by mistake. Restore it from quarantine or add Ubisoft Connect to the allow list. If nothing works,